Hi, welcome to Productive C#. I'm Andrea Angella, and in this video I want to share how to choose which version of .NET Standard to target for your library. Here is Visual Studio 2017. I created a standard library, and in the properties you can see that you can select the version of the .NET Standard that you want. How do you choose this version? So I want to show you a document that Microsoft created that is present in the .NET/standard repository on GitHub. If you go into the docs folder and click on the versions.md file, you can find a very useful matrix here that helps you to choose which version of .NET Standard you want. The idea is that you should choose the minimum version that supports the platforms that you want to actually your library to run. Okay, for example, if you want to use .NET Standard 2.0, you know that you can do that if you are happy to target .NET Core 2, .NET Framework 4.6.1, Mono 5.4, and so on. But for example, if you want to support an older version of Xamarin in iOS, like you want to support version 10.0, you need to use version 1.6 of .NET Standard. So this matrix helps you to see which .NET platforms are supported by a particular version of the .NET Standard. And but also it's very important to know what are the actual API that are available for you. So if you want to use a particular API, you need to consider that as well. So if you click on the particular .NET Standard version here, you go to another page that's specific for the particular .NET Standard. In addition to be able to see what are actually the platforms supported here, you can click on APIs. So you can see the document that contains all the Surface API provided by that particular version of the standard. In this case, GitHub is not able to provide me with a list. I need to click on View Raw. The file is too big. .NET Standard 2 contains a lot of APIs. And this document here contains the declaration of all the methods and properties of all the types that are available as part of .NET Standard 2. And as you can see, there are a lot of them. Like, for example, you can find your class directory, all the directory methods of the class are available, and so on. So this helps you to answer the question, what kind of APIs can I use if I use .NET Standard 2 or a previous version? And you can also see the difference between a particular version of the standard and the old version. If you click on diff here, you can see what's the difference between .NET Standard 2 and .NET Standard 1.6. So you can compare different .NET Standard versions and see which one is best for you. And this is pretty much it. So you can use these documents in order to help you to decide which version of .NET Standard to use when you create a new library. Thank you for watching.